In this video, we will cover your gate post options. At AllSafe, we offer the rectangular, double square, and double round gate post. 2 gate posts are required for each gate. The double square gate post is available in 1-inch or peg. The peg double square features the innovative peg shifter. The peg shifter will allow you to adjust the pegs in 1/8 inch increments to compensate for misdrilling or drill walk. The double round classic gate post is available in 1-inch or peg, with the exception of tan, which is only available in 1-inch. The rectangular gate post is available in 1-inch or peg, and is also perfect for terminating a fence line without attaching to a home, wall, or glass fence. All gate post options perform equally well, but the rectangular gate post requires 2 fewer holes per gate and also serves as a termination post. AllSafe Pool Fence, leading the industry in design, innovation, and choice.